All right, welcome to the Gonzo Bug. I'm Jose. Shelly's downstairs doing a few things, and this is day two of me doing my own flooring. I'm gonna tell you, and you're not gonna believe this, but it's true. We got an estimate from one of the box stores, okay, and it came back over $8,000. Now, I'm doing one, two, three, four. The fourth bedroom is like huge, it's really huge. It was a walk-in closet. And this room right here, I'm doing the guest bedroom, which is going to be River's bedroom after I get done with it. It's pretty big too. And the hallway, the long hallway. The estimate was $8,000. And I looked at that and said, you know what? I can do this myself. Just buy the materials. So we're going to do it in three parts. I'm doing this room and the hallway. That I measured myself, and I needed approximately $900 planking. So I think I got 20. No, I got 19 packs, and each pack is like $50, so it's like $900. I don't need to buy any other material except for the 250 here that I bought. This stuff right here that I have, my tools, and that's it. So I'm saving 5,000, give or take a couple hundred, and that's good. I think it's good. It's going to take more time because this room right here is familiarizing myself with the equipment I need, some of the experience I had before, because I did lay flooring at my old house and I made some mistakes, and I don't want to make those same mistakes again. I want this to look nice. I am ready to start. I'm going to get some more coffee. Like I said in my last video, part one video, is I'm retired. So I'm retired and I work at my own schedule. It's like having your own business. You make your own hours. And even when you have your own business, you have to work at certain hours because you're trying to satisfy your client. I don't have a client. Client is me, client is Shelly. So I'm going to take my time, do it right, and get it done. And so we're not going to do any camping probably the whole month of April, because trying to save just a little bit of money in case I need some more stuff, and the time and effort of just getting your RV out and bringing it back. And we have fun. Every time we go camping, we have fun, but I need that time to concentrate on this, because once I get started, I like to get it done, because if not, half of it's going to be undone for a few months, and then I lose my mojo. So without further ado, we'll see you at the next step.
2 hours later.
Alright, welcome back. It's been a few hours, but that's okay, I'm retired. I took a nap. I did some other things. So I'm here to get the little staples out and the nails out. So just be careful, look at that big nail. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Getting those staples and nails out. I went around and the surrounding area, around the sides and the surrounding area. So I probably got some to do, kind of like in the middle here. But before I do that, I am going to clean up, make sure everything is off the floor. There's a lot of nails. And once I clean up, I can see those other staples. It won't be that hard. Plus, it's kind of like an obstacle course right now because there's a lot of junk in here. Clean up again, and then I'm done for today. And then the next day, tomorrow, I can start laying out the planks. As long as the floor is level. If it's not level, I might have to go to Home Depot and get that leveling putty or whatever it's called. Alright. Taking a break.
1 hour later.
You ran through the rain, then composed the movie of your life. Everything that you've been through, I can't believe I get to call you my wife. From the day I met you, even through the internet, I knew you were the only just for me. And after Ruby Tuesday and our out-of-town day, you looked at me and proudly said, you made it. Let's get old and watch the kids grow, make our love and pure gold, travel around the whole world singing, you made it. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care for. I walk by the mirror saying you made it. We were married on Christmas, Shelly, Boo, and me against the wall. But your body was missing something that was saved by a little girl. She helped her mother by helping another. A birthday present you'll never forget. I'm so happy you recovered. Can't live without you. I'm so happy I can say you made it. Let's get old and watch the kids grow.
Alright. I am done for today. I got this whole floor cleaned up of all the staples and nails and all the debris. It is in the trash, except for one trash bag I gotta take down. And that's it. It's nice and clean. I don't know if you can see it. Let's check it out real quick. It's a little dark in here. One of my lights, one of my bulbs are out. But that's it. Clean. I'm done. Everything's done. All I gotta do is tomorrow wake up and get the planks out and start doing my planning. I already planned, but I want to replan just to make sure. And I'm gonna do my baseline to make sure it's straight, and after that, start laying down some planks, and I think it's gonna look good. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.